The government needs to pull out all the stops to boost vaccination rates.
We have the tools to prevent this new wave of COVID from shutting down our businesses, our schools, our society.
On vaccinations, President Joe Biden and the administration wants the federal government to set an example for the rest of the country.
Now, is this a form of weeding out the military, and so those who conform and take the jobs of those who did not conform to getting this vaccination? Is that what it is? Maybe this really is an IQ test. But I didn't come up with this. I didn't find this in Joe Crocodile Duets. Friggin' this is give him a shout out. Friggin' he uploaded this. The only video I'll show you the search results real quick. So don't really see. This is the first one, and it's actually the whole thing. And so, let me actually include a link in the description. I mean, if y'all can go there and give them some views, that'd be great. And you don't have to watch this the rest of the way through. I mean, I'll talk some on here, but
You're about to meet the owner of a restaurant in California who wants proof that you haven't gotten a shot in order to be served there, and no masks allowed. Why? Next. Okay, you have vaccine resistant, skeptical, hesitant, and then you have just, I'm not taking it. A restaurant owner in California posted signs calling on customers to show proof that they have not gotten the vaccine. He's also banned diners from wearing masks inside and put up this massive billboard that says, leave the mask, take the cannoli. Of course, it has to be an Italian guy, and he's using the Godfather. Anyway, Tony Roman is the...
Fine, that's good marketing. I want to go and eat at this guy's place.
Owner of Basilico's Pasta e Vino, and he joins me now from inside his restaurant. Welcome.
Man, you said the name perfectly. You said it perfectly. Good job. Now I know you're Italian.
It's because I speak the language. Let me guess, you don't. But here's what I'm asking you. Tony, welcome.
Man, you said the name perfectly. You said it perfectly. Good job. Now I know you're Italian.
It's because I speak the language. Let me guess, you don't. But here's what I'm asking you. Tony,
I love it.
Is this a little bit of a joke? Can you give me some hope that you really don't want people to not get vaccinated so they can come to your restaurant?
That's a good question. You're a smart guy. It's an IQ test. And like I say to people when they ask me, if they're so blinded with their rage and their hate, I tell them, you know what, if you still don't understand it, maybe we should put up a sign up that says you're too stupid to come into the restaurant. I mean, it's very simple. Just like you said, I think you figured it out. Am I right?
I don't even know what you're saying right now. Tell me, so what's the deal?
I'm saying we're making a point.
And so...
You answered the question.
So you haven't been vaccinated, nobody in your...
Fucking, this guy's a stud, man. Fucking total fucking stud. This guy needs a fucking movie.
Family's been vaccinated.
If I answer that, are you going to answer that when I ask you?
Yeah, sure. Ask me whatever you want. Now answer my question.
I'm not vaccinated. Are you?
I am. How about your parents, your wife, your kids?
You were hesitant.
No, I got vaccinated.
I'm gonna ask you the same. I'm gonna ask you the same thing. Is that all right?
Yeah, go ahead.
No. Is your family vaccinated?
Yes.
See, what you're not getting, you're failing the IQ test. What you're not getting, which I expected, what you're not getting is that this is not an anti-vaccine stand. It's a pro-freedom stand. That's what you're not getting.
What is the difference when you are ignoring the science that suggests that if you get vaccinated, you protect yourself, you protect the people around you, and you help us get out of this pandemic a little bit faster?
So what's next then? Are we all going to lock ourselves in our homes whenever there's a flu outbreak or there's an outbreak of a cold, a common cold? Are we going to lock ourselves inside our homes and wear a moon suit? I mean, where does it end?
It ends with you getting the vaccine so that this virus doesn't keep replicating and creating variants that we need to find ways to combat. The whole reason this is happening is because people won't protect themselves, Tony. I mean, what are you thinking?
Then why did you leave your house when you had COVID? I mean, you had it, and you left your house. I mean, it's been documented.
First
right?
of all,
So,
it has been
I want you to
documented.
answer that.
My ass, it's been documented.
Why
I
did you
quarantined.
Why
I
did you
went
answer
out. My wife got accosted by somebody.
I don't know, man.
And I know you don't know, so I'm trying to help you. The science is clear, Tony.
This guy, freaking, this Paisano, he's freaking so heated. Freaking, he's pissed. No one talks to him like that. You know, he's keeping his composure, and he's. I think he might have freaking Cuomo whacked.
Trying to help me.
I don't want you to get sick the way I was
The
sick.
science is clear. Oh, you care about me all of a sudden, huh?
Enough to have you on the show because I don't like people.
You see that little. You see that?
This is clear, Tony.
Trying to help me.
I don't want you to get sick the way I was
The
sick.
science is clear. Oh, you care about me all of a sudden, huh?
Enough to have you on the show because I don't like people making bad decisions for themselves and their family. I was hoping it was a little bit of a stunt.
Oh,
You have the freedom not to take the vaccine. I just don't know why you think it's a good move.
maybe we should ask your brother about protecting people, right?
Hey, look, that's his job, and if he doesn't do it well, people won't vote for
Whole
him.
new can of worms.
But look, Tony, look, I don't know if you know me too well. I'm shy
My
away from
stand
much.
is not
I'm
a
asking you
political
about
stand.
you.
Yeah, good. I appreciate that too because I know you talk a lot. So my stance here is a pro-freedom stand only. It's not political. You're never gonna. If you come down here, you're not gonna see a Trump flag flying over the roof. Okay, you're not gonna see campaign signs. You're not gonna see campaign slogans or political slogans ever. Okay, you're only gonna see pro-freedom messages, and that's it. And you're not going to drag me down the hole talking about the science. This is not about whether I'm pro-vaccine or not. I'm pro-freedom, anti-tyranny, okay? And, maybe the conversation should really be between me and your brother. That's what I'm thinking.
Maybe so. You're pro-freedom, but people can't wear masks. Tony, it doesn't make sense. It really doesn't. I gave you a chance to make the case. I wish you well. I hope your family stays safe.
I made my case. You didn't have much to say.
I mean, honestly, you sound like an idiot, so there's not much to say. But Tony, good luck with it. See you.
And so do you.
Yeah, only for having you on the show. That was my only mistake. Look, it's just stupid. I'm pro-freedom. I'm not anti. It's not about the vaccine. It's about freedom. What the hell is he talking about? Of course you have the freedom not to take it. The question is it a good move? He doesn't know the science. He doesn't want to know the science. This is my problem with the enablers of guys like this. I hate that he's Italian-American, by the way, because it plays into a stereotype.
Why do you make it about ethnicity? You know, and he's a self-hater too. And Cuomo, no.
Look, this suggestion that somehow there is a strength in the resistance to the science, to the mandate, to being told, you don't tell me.
Where's the fucking science? It's all over the place.
I'll do. It just doesn't make any sense. It is such a false sense of strength. It is such a stupid.
Has anyone ever noticed that CNN acts like a psychiatrist? They do like the same view and everything like that. So it's like you're sitting down with someone and, he has this, they have their interviews and stuff. But it's just like, and they just feed you what you want to hear because it's that satisfaction and gratification. That's what CNN does. They're fucking social workers. That's actually a valid point. Be safe, be kind, stay strong, love you all.
Ethnic, stereotype, masculine, moronic thing to be. False sense of strength. It is such a stupid, ethnic, stereotype, masculine, moronic thing to be.
Do you like watching your wife get fucked by other guys, by your brother? You probably do watch your brother fuck your wife, don't you? He probably got it for her. Because he's all about the grabbies and stuff like that. You're more the introvert. You're just trying to be like Big Brother, aren't you? Aren't you, you little sicko? Your little kids getting hairs on their legs standing up too? Cuomo?